Hello people, welcome to Sing One Techie. My name is Worldwide Pappy. Talking about tricks, tips, and of course hacks that you can use on WhatsApp. So here are 5 useful tips you can use for your WhatsApp, and some of which some people don't actually know. Now here's one of it. Did you know you can actually make video call for up to 5 people?
All you have to do is go to chat, contact the first person. At the top you will see a video icon. You can click on it and immediately start video calling. Once it connects, check the top right hand corner. There's an icon with a plus. If you click on that, it goes to your contacts and you can simply search all the contacts or whom you want to add. Tap the contact and then we're having a 3-way video call and you can add as much as possible.
That was very easy, right? It's very easy. Just thank me. Just tell me thank you. All right, let's go straight to the next one. Nowadays, I don't make my conversation boring. If I want to make my text bold, if I want to make it italic, if I want to make it, there's this very slash thing I like very much, right? So this is how you do it.
If you were typing, this is what it usually looks like. But if you want to add the bold text, go to your special character and click. Type the star symbol, then you can type your message and you can input the star symbol just after the text and it will turn bolder. If you want to make your text italic, you will simply use the underscore symbol, then type out your message and put an underscore after the text, and bam, it makes your text italic. Same goes for strike through. You simply put this funny symbol, then type your message and add same symbol. Voila.
I see you found that very useful because I actually did and I like it. All right, let's go up to the next one. The next one is one I find very, very good. Why? Because a lot of people have frustrated me often at time. When you send me messages, you delete them and I start asking you, what did you say? And they're like, nah, don't worry, it doesn't matter. I finally caught you guys. I finally found an app that gets me to see whatever you delete. You want to know how it works?
Let's say somebody sends you a message. Before you can see it, it was deleted. You can actually retrieve this message by installing any of these 2 apps. These apps are called Restory and Naughty Save. From Google Play Store, download Restory and Naughty Save. Install the app and open it. Simply allow notification and enable it. Then you can go to the application. When the application is successfully installed, it is ready to use. So let's see if this app actually works. Let's go by sending a message to a friend. It delivers. Then we delete the message. Then we can open Restory or Naughty Save to check what we have just deleted.
And that's number 4. This is actually a good one because ever since I stumbled on it, I became lazy to use my phone. Now, did you know you could actually use WhatsApp on your desktop? Did you know?
Simply type WhatsApp Web on Google. Once you click on WhatsApp Web, you will see a QR barcode. Then go into your phone's WhatsApp. Go to Setting. Tap the 3 dots on the right corner. Choose option WhatsApp Web. Then you can scan the QR barcode as you saw it on web. Now you can access WhatsApp on your desktop. You can send videos, you can drag files right from your desktop.
Using my WhatsApp on desktop is like the best thing that has happened to me. Adding humor to your chat. So do you know you can send GIF files to people to really make it interesting? Now,
using GIFs or GIF is one way to make your chat fun. Open your chat and click on the emoji icon. At the bottom, you will see a smiley face icon. Right beside it, the GIF icon. If you click on the GIF, it will show you most of all the recent GIFs trending. You can also click on the search icon and search whatsoever GIF you like. You can search for smiley, you can search for laughing, but I prefer to use this one. You can pick anyone and type your message along with it. Honestly, this is the best way to express yourself.
So if you find this very useful, you find this very helpful, please just give us a thumbs up, share with friends. Like you just learned a new trick, you just learned a new hack for WhatsApp. All right, stay connected to Sing One TV. Always, God bless you guys. Stay techie, always. I remain Worldwide Pappy. Bye.